guest here. All right, and here's a small introduction about Toastmaster Mahesh Abesekar. So, Toastmaster Mahesh Abheshekara is a super qualified person for this presentation title, Importance of Public Speaking. Why? He has been the best division director of 2019-2020. He is also the immediate past division director of Division E last year, and a person whom I go for various advice. Toastmaster Mahesh Abheshekara, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you, Lalit. Am I audible?
You're
Hello.
audible
Yes.
and visible.
Yes,
All right.
Mahesh. Yes, Mahesh.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Executive Committee members of AAT Sri Lanka, Toastmasters members of AAT Sri Lanka, and most importantly, the participants of Ascend 2021. Now, when it comes to public speaking, well, we all know that many would fear when you even hear that word. But on this instance, I personally felt very much enlightened and also in a way proud to see what AAT has done, because now on this instance, as I mentioned before, when you have applied for this best speaker contest, and some of you may not have even known what public speaking entails. So in that sense, before I go through with my presentation, I would like to applaud the participants, because in my opinion, you had won half of the battle. Now, that being said, what you need to bear in mind is the fact that public speaking is a skill. Now, for instance, when you go to school, you acquire knowledge. When you go to a lecture, you acquire knowledge. But the difference between acquiring knowledge and developing a skill is you got to keep on doing it on a continuous basis. Now, for instance, when we were small, you used to learn the skill of riding a bicycle. If not, maybe to learn the art of swimming. And after a period of time, we get quite competent with it because we kept on doing it. So the same applies for public speaking. Now, when it comes to public speaking specifically, I personally believe one thing very firmly. Why many would fail is because, or is why many would not succeed in the art of public speaking is because they tend to compare their performances, their abilities, their competencies with certain other individuals. It might be your friends, it might be your neighbor, it might be your boss. My humble request to you is don't ever get into that trap. If you need to compare yourself with whom you were yesterday. If you do that, for sure you will know that you're making progress day by day, and that psychological impact that is being created will obviously motivate you to do better, because why? You are becoming a better person than whom you were yesterday. Now, that is basically an introduction that I really wanted to give in terms of public speaking. On the other side of the coin, when you hear the word public speaking, many might think that public speaking is a situation where you speak to an audience of 1,000 or maybe 10,000, if not 20,000 people. Yes, that might be the extreme end. Generally, research says when you get a situation to speak to more than 7 people, it is considered to be a situation where you can practice public speaking. Now, as you go down this program, you all will be kind of taught and also taken through the most essential steps that you need to kind of incorporate in a speech. meaning from speech organization to incorporating body language, instilling vocal variety, so on and so forth. But most important thing is you got to understand when you communicate, you need to communicate a clear and a concise message to the audience. If you do that, as one of the speakers very correctly said at the beginning, you will develop yourself as a professional, and in whatever the discipline that you are embarking your career upon, you will definitely become successful. So public speaking to me personally had helped me evolve myself as a person as I have progressed in my career as well as in Toastmasters. So I'm sure that it would do the same to you. And I'm not from AAT Toastmasters, but I can assure you and I can vouch you on this fact. I know the level of commitment all these members from AAT Toastmasters Club as well as the executive committee members of the governing body would render to ensure that they would go that extra mile to help anybody who has got themselves enrolled in this particular process. So it's not going to be a lonely game. Obviously, you're going to get their support and you're going to get their guidance and their mentorships. So take this opportunity, and as I said, most importantly, when you develop your skill, don't compare yourself with anybody else. Compare yourself with whom you were yesterday and challenge yourself to do better. And I'm sure you will definitely grow as individuals, and this fear factor which is associated with public speaking, let me tell you again, I don't see it in you because everybody had taken uh, the steps to ensure that you would be a participant. So congratulate your own self for that act, and you have won half of the battle. Only another 50% of the battle is remaining, and with the guidance of each and everybody involved with AAT, I'm quite certain and I'm quite sure that you would achieve the impossible. Thank you very much, Lalit.